Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about discipline. Are you self-disciplined? Are you denying yourself all the luxuries that you want, like lying in the bed in the morning, or not washing your dishes, or putting them in the dishwasher after meals, or not doing your laundry? That is following your base self. That is following your inner desires, and it's not going to get you where you want to be. Your priorities are to get yourself to the point where you are having peace in your home, you're having control in your home, and you're loving yourself. You can't get there by obeying yourself like a little slave, obeying your feelings. So today I want you to break that cycle and begin disciplining yourself. It will bring you peace. It will bring you control in your home. It'll bring you happiness, and it'll get your house done. So today, start disciplining yourself and make it a great day.